Hello, my name is Emily Collins, and today I am excited to share my assistive augmentative technology creation, which is a multifunctional communication pillow designed for students with both communication and sensory needs. So this device is not only a tool for communication, it also supports accessibility, sensory regulation, and engagement while being super simple and low tech to use and easy to train others to implement. This pillow is designed with several features needed to meet a variety of student needs, serving three primary functions. First, it is a communication aid with commonly needed words for pointing. So this is modeled after like a classic AAC device that you would see primarily on like a tablet. So I've got commonly used words like happy, mad, sad, three basic emotions. I've got more, yes, no, stop, help, goodbye. Oh, that one is hello, but help is on here. Break, drink, food, no, done, bathroom, tired, and help with the bell. So each one has its own graphic that goes along with the word to help students who may not be able to read identify where the word they're looking for is, as well as large print in case students may be visually impaired. It's also weighted. It has some weighted elements inside of it. Dried corn is what I used for this one. So it could also serve as a lap weight for students who may have some deep pressure needs. And it also has some fidgets on the back of it here. And they're sewn on with embroidery thread in order to serve it also as like a fidget toy. So I've got some different buttons, a zipper, some Velcro, and some elastic here. So all different types of sensory needs are being met with this one device. So I'll walk you through how it works, how it can be used in the classroom, and how I envision training others to use it would look like, and also the special features that make it versatile and effective. So first of all, of course, it is a communication aid. As I previously went over the commonly used words that are on it that a student with communication needs may need to express quickly using a device that they have on hand. This one is filled with deer corn to make it weighted. Weighted tools can help students who have sensory issues related to deep pressure, and can also assist in having a lap weight could also assist students in being reminded to stay in their seats. Sorry, my cat was messing with some buttons underneath the table. But commonly needed words such as yes, no, help or stop, break, bathroom, happy, sad are written in large bold print, and I made sure to use lots of contrasting colors to enhance visibility as well as the bold large print. This allows, especially with its smaller size, to help students communicate their needs quickly and effectively, even if they are non-verbal. And we went over sensory features, now the fidget features. I made sure to incorporate a wide variety of different fidget features on this one, all with the purpose of being able to emulate different types of fidgeting. I know that fidgets are not a one-size-fits-all thing for students who use them. So for this prototype, I've just compiled a whole bunch of different types onto it. I've got these buttons that students can fidget with. This Velcro detaches and the elastic can be pulled on. The zipper can be zipped and unzipped. I've got little snails right here, another engagement tool, and a little puppy dog right here. If I were to make this for a real student, I would probably keep in mind what fidgets I thought were going to work for them specifically to avoid them being overwhelmed by the amount of things going on this one particular pillow. Or I would make several of these with different varieties of fidgets on them, just 2 or 3 of these per pillow, and let the student choose which one works for them. Okay, so accessibility is definitely a cornerstone of this pillow's design because it is very multifunctional. It can be used by students with a wide range of needs. It's got communication supports by emulating an AAC tablet to help nonverbal students express themselves, with the purpose of reducing frustration and ensuring that their needs are met as easily and efficiently as possible. It is quite easy to use. The words are placed in a simple grid layout, and the pillow's compact size also makes it easy to transport. It is weighted, but it's only about 3 or 4 pounds or so, maybe a little bit more. It's not going to be something that is a problem to transport between classes or even back and forth from home and school. The deer corn filling and fidget elements make it suitable for students who need sensory input all throughout the day. This is something that can be kept under their desk, in their lap, out of the sight of other students in the class, and will serve as minimal distraction when it's not being utilized. And most importantly, it's a very inclusive device. It can be used alongside other communication methods like the PECS system or more high-tech devices to create a more comprehensive toolkit for the student. The student will always have options as to how they want to communicate, even if verbalization isn't one of those options. Training everyone to use the pillow effectively would be critical for the success of it, and with this low-tech of a device, I believe it would be really simple to do that. And here's how I would approach it. I would provide a quick demonstration on how to model the pillow during lessons or transitions. For example, showing how to ask the student to point to help when they need an assistance. So making sure that staff knows to, whenever they see the student struggling to communicate a certain thought, to ask them to use their AAC pillow to try and help convey the thought, instead of just getting frustrated and expressing their emotions in an undesired way when they can be using this device to assist them in communicating. I would offer some tips for integrating the pillow into existing routines, such as placing it at the student's seat at all times for easy access. If the student was in a position where they stay in the classroom all day, if they were not in a position where they stay in one classroom all day, I would make sure that staff is trained to make sure that they take it with them from class to class. For families, I would create a short take-home guide to help ensure that parents are on the same page as staff at school, and making sure that the pillow is being used at home too, to reinforce those habits. Simple steps like encouraging a child to point to words during meals or while playing with their parents can build some consistency in using this device. Another thing that I really like about this device is with its customizability. I have a multitude of different buttons sitting here. I'm actually going to make some for the real students that I work with at my real school as a paraprofessional. I've got little cows. I've got some frogs. I've got some flowers. And then I've got different colors of zippers and things. You can really make this something that fits the personality of the student that you have in mind for it. Also, using cheap materials like deer corn is going to be a economically sustainable option for anyone interested in making this tool. So in conclusion, this communication pillow is an affordable, versatile, and effective AAT device. It empowers students to communicate, self-regulate, and engage more fully in their learning environment. With proper training and consistent use, it can make a significant difference in the lives of students and their experience in the classroom particularly. Thank you.